why am I showing you the autumn winter catalogue, you might be thinking. Well, we're in the last sort of month of it. The new spring summer catalogue comes out on January the 3rd, so this just runs to January the 2nd, so you've literally got 4 weeks left of it. And hello Bentley. And so what Stampin' Up do when it comes to the end of it is they have their closeout, so it lets you know what isn't carrying over. So it's when it's on supplies last, so things have already gone. So if there's something in here that you desperately want, then I suggest you get it and don't hang about. And some things are discounted, and these things are discounted. These Memories and More cards and envelopes, and the Memories and More cards that go with it. And you might remember this this mini album I made. I didn't use the envelopes from this in this one. I used the cards, the Memories and More cards, and the cards from the card kit. And I have got an online class that shows you how I made this album. There's lots of pockets in it. And lots of interaction. I will be filling this with Christmas photos, so I will probably do a flick through with all my Christmas memories from this year. In behind here there's pockets on everyone, and opening bits. So yeah, it's not very complicated, it's quite easy, so you might want to check it out. Oh, thank you Bentley. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. I really enjoyed making it. And I've made another one recently, which is going to go out at the weekend, I think. And this is my December online class. And there's a short turnaround on this one, because if you want to get it for Christmas, then you need to order, let me know by December the 8th, so that I can get the orders in by the 9th, so that I can get them to you for Christmas. So great little Christmas present. Comes with a stamp set, the magnolia blooms, some ribbon, all the cardstock to make this beautiful box, which would in itself make a lovely Christmas gift. So you can get it, whip it up, and give this to somebody for Christmas. And you've got enough there to make 10 cards, and I give you the template for cutting. You make the paper, and you make all these lovely cards. What a great gift that would be. So you can enjoy making, and the envelopes you get, you can enjoy making it, and you can give this away, and you make another one for yourself. You only get enough cardstock to make one lot, but you can add your own cardstock. 3 ways to buy, so you can buy it with all the stamp set and everything. You can buy it so that you just get the things to make it without the stamp set, or you can just buy the online class as it is, and if you happen to have the stamp set yourself, or use a different stamp set. So that's me adverts. So now we want to do a little bit of crafting. So I'm trying to be a little bit green this Christmas, so I'm not having Christmas crackers. I'm making my own, and I will bring in a video of how I make that later. I recently did it with guides. That was fun. So I brought a great big roll of brown paper. Let me see. You can see how big this roll is. It's massive. It's 75 centimetres wide. It is huge, and this is recyclable. I think it's made out of recyclable paper as well, so it's double green. I have just, how gorgeous is that? I've just wrapped this up for one of my great nephews for Christmas, and I just think that looks like really expensive Christmas wrap. You can buy craft Christmas wrap, brown paper Christmas wrap that's printed, and pay a lot of money for. And I've made a matching tag out of our crumb cake, and I just think, tied it up with string, very sound music, and I just think it's lovely. So very simple. I used Snowman Season because this is for children. I think that would be cute. I actually think it'd be cute for anybody, but you can, you know, change it up if you're doing it for adults. And I've used Early Espresso because I thought a nice little dark brown on it would be lovely, and I'm literally just random stamped it. Didn't take very long, and fun to do. And then when this is done, you can either do what I do. I tell my kids, don't rip the paper, don't rip the paper, undo it gently, I'm going to reuse it. Or you can recycle this. Thank you, Bentley. Yeah, I think this is cute. And who doesn't love a snowman? So just going all over with my snowman. And then we'll bring in another one. There is Merry Christmas, Let It Snow. You can put them on it as well. I've got snowflakes. Even Ed can do this. I might actually get Ed to do this. He's getting quite into his crafting. Well, he's not. He's just suffering it because I'm making him. There, and then we've got our other snowman. And I'm just chucking him around. Enjoyable and saving the planet. That's a win-win, isn't it, really? And then I've got, just because, so I'm just gonna stick the arms. You don't have to do this bit, I guess, but I just think it's nice. Stick a few arms on the snowmen. Extra double cute. And actually I think the paper would look nice without being stamped on, but I am stamping up, so of course I'm going to stamp on it. And I don't buy huge amounts of presents, so it's not masses. And we did have a bit of last year's wrapping paper left over, which we thought, well, we may as well use it because we're going to bin it if we don't use it, and so it's going to go in the rubbish anyway, so we may as well use it up. And then I'm just filling in the gaps with the snowflakes. And you can just buy some basic string. You might have lots and lots of ribbon. I've got so much ribbon that I might tie it up with some ribbon, and I know that William, whose present I've just wrapped up, his mum's a crafter, so I'm sure she'll nick that. My kids give me back all the ribbon that their presents are wrapped in, so so they get reused. And then I'm just gonna make some tags to go with it. I love the brown in this. Crumb cake's a little bit lighter, but I still think that that works. So I'm gonna just cut this at 2 inches. Yeah, it's just over 4 there. So I'm going to use our tag topper punches. May as well cut the second one whilst I'm at it. And we've got 2 styles of tag topper punch, so I might make one of each so we can see. So we've got this new one, which does allow you to make it in different widths. And then we've got our other one, which I didn't bring with me. There we go. And then we've got the other one. So they make great tags that they've got the holes in already. And then because I am a little bit obsessed, I'm going to round the corner of it. So just take the corner rounder. You can of course just make your tags with this. Actually, I didn't do that one very well. It's better. So you could just buy this one and make the tags actually. If I get a bit of scrap. Got a bit of scrap here, which is not even, so that's 1 3/4 wide. So round the tops, put a bit of fancy in it. And then we've got our hole there, so we put that up so it goes up the middle. And that's the hole. Didn't actually centre that very well, but I'm just going to lob that off, and then around the bottom. And that is another way of making a tag. You can fancy the bottoms as well if you want. Very quick tag there, bit pretty. So just want to show you that, and then I'm just going to stamp on these tags, and then they match beautifully with the paper. I'm just going to move the paper out of the way so that I don't go over. So I'll use this snowman on that one. Might use that snowman on the other. And there you've got matching tags. There is a to and a from as well in this stamp set that you can do. So they can go on the back, to and from, and that's big enough then to write a little message to go with it. How gorgeous. That is going to be what I will be doing for the next, well, I won't be doing it for the next couple of nights. I'm going away for the weekend, but that is what I'm going to be doing for my Christmas wrap. So hope you like that idea. I think it's cool, and I think that is just a gorgeous looking package. I also think it would look lovely plain with some red ribbon. If you imagine that with some red ribbon. I've got this beautiful curly red ribbon. Imagine that wrapped up with that. That would look lovely as well. So yeah, just some ideas of being green this Christmas. Okay, and different ways of using our products and our stamps. So I will be back next week with another live, and back tomorrow on YouTube with another Christmas. I think it's a Christmas themed festive Friday. So yeah, thanks for joining me. If you watch it later, thank you again. I'll answer any questions that you might have. If you're wondering where I got this from, Amazon. Amazon's my friend. I've just done all my Christmas shopping on Amazon. So yeah, quick and easy, didn't leave the house. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.